4 reasons why social media is a big waste of time for your business. I think social media is a big waste of time for your business. It's not that I'm jaded, or that I've worked on so many social media content calendars that it's made me go crazy. I've seen social media do wonders for businesses of all shapes and sizes. I've seen businesses invest hundreds if not thousands of dollars into social media campaigns that provide zero ROI. And I know how frustrating that is, especially considering the fact that social media is regarded as one of the best places to grow your business in 2019. It's the way you use your social media. 1. Social media is a big waste of time if you aren't using the right avenue. That's more than 1 million new people joining social media every single day. If that is where the majority of your audience is, don't you think it's something worth considering? Unfortunately, simply having a business page or an account that says what your product/service is, won't quite cut it. If you aren't willing to utilize the possible most significant avenue to attract, convert and delight leads, for your business, yes, social media isn't right for you. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.to/3bj8v7. 2. Social media is a total waste of time if you aren't planning on spending any time on it. Consistency is the biggest thing you can do to grow your social media. You need to have your brand in front of them and provide content that they want to see. Not only does this build trust with potential customers, but it also makes it so they want to see what you are doing and where your brand is going. In the noisy world of social media, it is imperative for your company to build trust with frequent, high-quality content, and to respond to engagement as quickly as possible. Another trust-building factor is social media reviews. 3. Social media is a total waste of time if you aren't willing to invest in targeted followers. So where do you get the audience that wants to hear about your product or service? Although faithful, consistent followers are important, you need new targeted potential leads. These are the people that will make all of your social media efforts worth it. You will need to invest in reaching these people through ads. In the social media world, you get out what you put in. So throwing $50 at an ad to reach people in New York to fill out a lead form just won't cut it. You need to invest in building up a strong following, and then those people will learn to trust you from your consistent posting. Get help with your social media strategy. 4. Social media is a total waste of time if you don't think your business is worth people knowing about. You know people need or want it. And that's why it is astounding to me how many companies do not think social media is needed for their company. Social media is how 60% of customers want to discover new products or services. 200 million social media users are visiting at least one business profile every day. I think you can see if you aren't willing to invest in one of the biggest avenues of leads and sales, you won't have much of an ROI from your social media efforts. Unless you see the value in what social media can do for you and your product or service, you are wasting your time. I urge you, if you do see the value in what social media can do for your company, don't just slap an ad or a couple of posts up. Be consistent and invest in a solid social media marketing strategy.